welcome back. Welcome back for part 2. Now we'll study about three-phase full wave rectifier. The circuit is, if you see the circuit is almost same. The connection of I1, I2, I3, E1, E2, E3 is almost same. If we compare with the previous one, we only need to modify on the load side. Also, this time we need to connect 6 diode. This is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. For in the module, we consider this is D1, this is D2, this is D3, D4, D5, D6. So we see that the positive of diode D1, D2, D3 is connect with the negative of diodes are connect with positive of I4. So we'll connect this is positive of I4. This is I4. It's positive of I4. Then negative of I4. Negative of I4 is connect with resistive value. This time we need to connect two resistive loads in series. So I1 negative is connected with one resistive value. The resistive value is 686. So if we make all three parallel, it will 686. This three. Then we need to connect in series. So this is series. Then output will connect. This one will connect with the common point of D4, D5 and D6. So this is common point of D4, D5, D6. Okay. Now we need to connect E4. So we can see that E4 is connected in parallel with R1 and R2. So this is E4 positive. So it will connect with here. So this one. And negative will connect it with R2. So this is R2. This is all about the connection. Now in step 28, we need to select 8 channels from the oscilloscope for the E1, E2, E3, I1, I2, I3, I4 and E4. So I've done this one. See, just I select the channels E1, E2, E3, I1, I2, I3, I4, E4. Just this one. So this is, if you see that, this is the output for step 28. For 29 and 29 and 30, you have to answer from this graph. Okay. For step 31, you can see if we turn on this one. This is the result of step 31. From this one, you can get the E0 and I0, like from the E4 and I4. You can calculate the power based on this result. For step 23, you have to calculate some results from this, the meter. The result I will provide you, and I can show you the result what I did. This is the results for step 28. And this is the results for step 31. Okay, this is all about the three-phase power diode rectifiers. Thank you, Ragesh, for helping me to make this video. No need to be worried about the lab reports. We'll let you know when you have to submit the reports. Okay, thank you very much.